Hands pick up the toys, one by one they go.
Drop!
Little feet walk to the box.
Step, step, step and pop. Blocks go in, the bear goes in. Cars go in the line. Look, says Brushy boy with joy, our room is looking fine. Clean it up, we can do it slow or fast. Clean it up, make the mess go past. Clap your hands, yay! Spin around, woo! Brushy friends are proud of you. Brushy girl blows bubble rings, floating left and right. Sparkle dots fall gently down, turning mess to light.
Sweep, sweep here, sweep, sweep there, Brushy boy says see.
Cleaning time is happy time, come and help with me. Clean it up, let the room shine bright. Clean it up, morning, noon or night. Shake your hands, shake. Tap your shoes, tap. Give the toys a gentle clap. All the toys are sleeping tight, everything's okay. Brushy friend smiles